Alright, hey guys, today we are going to go over how to climb a rope. We got the S-hook and the J-hook. A lot of people like to start out with the S-hook, find that it's a little more secure. It also rubs on your leg a lot more, a little harder on the way down, but sometimes it takes a little less upper body strength. The J-hook can get up the rope a lot faster, a little easier to get down from. So here's the two different routes. We got the S-hook to start with. We're gonna wrap the leg around the rope, okay? So that was from the outside. Knees on the outside, we wrap it around. Okay, lift this knee up. You have this rope right here. We're gonna step right on that rope, okay? So we step on that rope. We got our lock. From here, we bring our hands up, lift up the knees, and then re-lock. That lock, and then you get up higher. And then same way down. Just re-lock and let yourself down slowly. So the J-hook, knees on the outside, foot's on the inside. We're gonna wrap the rope right under and sort of smash it up against this side of the foot. I'm gonna use a little bit further back on the foot, a little more support. Also with these shoes, they're a harder sole. These are the Reebok CrossFits. They have a little groove there too to make it even better for the rope climb. So we lift that rope underneath, we lock it, and now we're up. Now I can lift up my legs as high as I want and re-lock it again. Get that lock, and I'm already halfway up the rope. To get down, I just need to loosen up, and I can slowly make my way down. I used to like the S-hook, but the J-hook's the way to go.